Hey Lina, can I ask you something?
Of course. You sound serious. What's going on?
Do you ever feel like you're not good enough?
That's a deep question. Yes, more times than I'd like to admit. Why?
I don't know. Lately, I've been doubting myself a lot. At work, in life, even in simple things. It feels like everyone else is moving forward, and I'm just stuck.
I get that feeling. It's more common than you think. But let me ask you this. What makes you think you're stuck?
Because I keep comparing myself to others. My friends are successful, they're confident, they know what they're doing. And me, I feel lost.
Ryan, you're not lost. You're just in a different phase of your journey.
That sounds nice, but it doesn't feel true.
Let me tell you something. Do you know what the biggest mistake people make is? They believe that confidence comes before action. But in reality, confidence comes after you try.
So you're saying, I have to act confident even when I'm not?
Exactly. Confidence isn't something you magically have. It's something you build.
But what if I fail?
You will.
Wow, thanks for the encouragement.
Now listen, failure is part of the process. Every successful person you admire has failed, many times.
I guess. I'm afraid of making mistakes.
Let me ask you something. When a child learns to walk, do they fall? Do they stop trying? Exactly. They don't say, "Oh, I'm not good at walking, I should quit." They keep going.
That's a simple way to look at it.
Sometimes, simple truths are the most powerful.
But what about judgment? What if people laugh at me?
Let them.
Seriously?
Yes. People will always have opinions, but their opinions don't define your worth.
That's hard to believe.
I know. But think about this. Are you living your life for them or for yourself?
For myself, I guess.
Then their opinions shouldn't stop you.
It's just, I've failed before. And it hurt.
Failure always hurts. But you know what hurts more?
What?
Regret. Imagine yourself, 5 years from now, looking back at today. Would you regret trying and failing? Or not trying at all?
Probably not trying.
Exactly.
So, how do I start believing in myself?
Start small.
What do you mean?
Stop saying I can't. Start saying, I'll try.
That sounds simple.
It is simple, but it's powerful.
Okay, what else?
Celebrate small wins.
Like what?
Did you complete a task today? Did you learn something new? Did you step out of your comfort zone, even a little?
Yeah, I guess I did.
Then that's progress.
I never thought of it that way.
Most people don't. They focus on what they haven't done, instead of what they have done.
That's true.
Also, be kind to yourself.
I'm usually my own worst critic.
Exactly. You speak to yourself in a way you'd never speak to a friend.
That's painfully accurate.
So change that. Encourage yourself. Support yourself. Believe in yourself, even a little.
Even a little?
Yes. Because even a small belief can grow into something big.
You make it sound possible.
It is possible.
You know, I feel a bit better now.
Good. That's a start.
I think I've been waiting for the perfect moment.
There's no such thing.
Yeah, I'm starting to see that.
The best moment to start is now.
Okay, I'll try.
No, say it properly.
All right. I will try.
That's better.
And maybe I'll fail.
Maybe.
But I won't stop.
That's the spirit.
Thanks, Lina. I really needed this conversation.
Anytime, Ryan. Just remember,
What?
you are more capable than you think.
Yeah. Maybe I am.